Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today we'll see how to enable Fiori for the S4HANA IDES system. Okay, so this is for education purpose only. For the actual system, the configuration is totally different. And for the IDES system, this is the way how we can do it. Okay, so to enable Fiori for your IDES system, you will need two things. Most importantly, one is like your IP address. This will get from the server provider. Okay, and another one is like domain. Okay, let's see how we can do it. Now what you need to do, just press Windows plus R on your keyboard. Okay, and type drivers, hit enter. Okay, now come to etc, copy the host file and paste it on desktop. Okay, now open it. Okay, so this is the details what I am getting. Now just minimize it and go to SAP. The T code to open Fiori from S4HANA system is \UI2 FLP. Select it and hit enter. Okay, now as I said, we need two things. One is IP and another one is domain. So we will get the domain from here. 1 second, let me just copy it from here till domain. Okay, now I'll just paste it over here. Okay, you remember right now what we have seen here, the domain will be on right side and IP will be on left side. Okay, just paste it and give some space. Now save it. Okay, now we'll close it. Okay, let me just open it again and check whether everything is okay or not. Okay, so I have pasted the IP address and the domain over here. What I'll do, sorry for I'll just close it. Okay, now just copy this file. Okay, now click on Windows R again and drivers, hit enter, go to etc. Now just paste the file over here only and click on the replace with file in the destination. Okay, it's done. Now just open it and check whether it's copied properly or not. Okay, I can see the IP address and domain is coming over here. Okay, our important work is done. Now let's go to our system. Okay, let me just go with the same screen, \n UI2 FLP, hit enter, allow. Now when you have tried before updating the host file, this file, you will not get this thing. Okay, after updating you will get this thing. After this, just click on advanced, unsave. Okay, now we just need to log in here. Okay, here we go. So you can start using Fiori. Let's say I want to create a sales order. I click on the tiles. So that's all guys, how to enable Fiori for S4HANA IDES system. If you have any doubt, please do let me know, and I will provide the link for this document so you can quickly refer. Yeah, that's it. Thank you very much. Bye bye.